Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly tighten a Flexi tap connector using a little insert and a Flexi tap spanner made on a 3D printer. So as we all know, guys, these Flexi hoses come with built-in washers. On the top of an isolation valve you've got sharp edge. Once that gets tightened on top of the isolation valve, if it's over tightened by a couple of mil, it can cause future leaks. So there's a couple of ways. What a lot of plumbers do is file the edge off, and obviously that can work. Obviously you can get a flat face version, which is the top's flat, and sometimes they're out of stock. If that's the case, my go-to method is one of these inserts, which I carry a bag of them around in my van with me. That just pops into the top like that, and then obviously that's going to be a nice seat for your washer to sit on. So that let's put the nut back on top. Let's tighten her up. Hand tight. So I always hand tight these just enough until I can't tighten them anymore by hand, like that. Then I take my Flexi tap connector spanner and just give it a quarter of a turn, guys. There you go, that's just enough, guys. And let's do the cold side. To be honest with you, when you've got a flat face on there, it's a peace of mind anyways. There you go. Hang the nut back on. Just hand tight, remember. There you go. Take your Flexi hose, span it. Give it a quarter of a turn. That's all it needs. So, because these rubbers are on a flat surface now, I can say it's safe to open these up. It's hot. That's the code. If you'd like to support the channel, guys, please give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.